Hey, creative geniuses. Cool here from authorityvideos.com, your trusted AI mentor where visionary ideas turn into massive rewards. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest trends blowing up on social media, cruise ship versus the extreme. Think cruise ship versus wildfires, whirlpool, storms, or even a tsunami. These electrifying scenarios aren't just pulling in millions of views, they're fueling creators' bank accounts. Ready to ride this wave and cash in? Let's jump right in. Why cruise ship versus extreme is a goldmine. This niche is on fire, low competition, skyrocketing popularity. For instance, the YouTube channel Cruising Lab gained a whopping 42k subscribers in just a year with only 70 videos in their arsenal. With tools like ChatGPT, bring them to life with visuals using Leonardo AI and CG Dream AI, Kling AI, ElevenLabs, and Veed, you can craft jaw-dropping videos that mesmerize viewers and stop the scroll. Ready to unlock the blueprint for viral success? Let's break it down step by step. And don't forget, we've got a cheat sheet in the description with all the steps and prompts to help you get started. Step 1. Generate epic ideas with ChatGPT. Creativity starts here. Fire up ChatGPT to brainstorm cinematic, edge-of-your-seat scenarios. Here's the game plan. 1. Open ChatGPT and launch a new session. 2. Use the custom prompt, link in the description. 3. Let ChatGPT craft incredible escalating scene ideas. Example, prompt. You are an AI generating cinematic prompts for catastrophic cruise ship scenarios, e.g. tsunami, hurricane, volcanic eruption. Each scenario includes 3 escalating prompts with vivid detail, logical progression, and immersive drama. Example, prompt. 1. A serene cruise near a tropical island with a faintly smoking volcano in the background. Prompt 2. Passengers panic as the volcano erupts, sending fiery debris and tremors. Prompt 3. Chaos peaks as the ship battles massive waves, fiery skies, and volcanic ash clouds. Boom! With this, you're armed with scenarios that demand attention. Just finish this step. If you're loving these AI animation tips, hit subscribe and turn on the bell icon to stay updated. authorityvideos.com, we're your go-to for mastering viral video creation with step-by-step tutorials and insider strategies. Got ideas or topics you'd love to see next? Drop them in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Step 2. Create stunning visuals with AI tools. Now it's time to bring your ideas to life. Head over to Leonardo AI and CG Dream AI. Link in the description, and claim your free tokens. Here's how to set it up to share on social media. 1. Go to image generation. On the left-hand corner, select Portrait Perfect as preset. For preset style, select Portrait Cinematic. Contrast high. Image dimensions for TikTok, 916. Number of images, 4. 2. Next, copy the first prompt and paste it in the prompt box and hit generate. 3. Keep repeating this for 2 other prompts and download the best image upon completion. Now, we will try another image generation method called cgdream.ai. Sign up on CG Dream AI and let's get started. 1. First, copy your first prompt and paste it into the prompt box at the bottom of the page. Now, select aspect ratio 2.3 for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Number of variations 2. Model flux, quality and speed fast. 2. For the next part, you need to think what your image is about. If there is ocean-related filter, choose that one. Then there is ice and winter vibe in the scene, so pick winter. Then there is a cruise ship, choose that one. And finally, select Creative Enhancer to enhance your creativity. Now, hit generate, and boom. 3. It takes time sometimes to generate image, but it's worth it. Keep repeating the same process for 2 other prompts. And once complete, download images, and let's move on to next step. Step 3. Animate like a pro. Time to add motion. Use Kling AI's image to video feature, link in the description for your free account. Here's where the excitement kicks into high gear, animating your creations. Use the image to video tool in Kling AI. Then drag and drop each of the best images from each prompt. In my case, I chose CG Dream AI generated images for the animation. Now, let's go for the animation prompt generation in ChatGPT. Head over to ChatGPT, now type create nice, attractive, engaging, mind-blowing 10 seconds animation prompts for each of these descriptions. Prompts below. Your animation prompt is ready to roll. Copy and paste each of your animation prompts for each prompt images. Go to Settings, select Professional Mode, duration 10 seconds, generating count 1. In the end, click Generate and watch as your images transform into a seamless, jaw-dropping animation. Step 4. Narrate with ElevenLabs. Bring your video to life with engaging voiceovers using ElevenLabs. Link in the description for your free account. Copy your script generated from ChatGPT, paste it, and select a tone and accent that complements your theme. Click Generate, and boom, a polished narration that feels alive. Step 5. Edit like a boss with V.io. Upload your animations and voiceovers into V.io for final touches. Link in the description for your free account. Add captions, seamless transitions, and dramatic background music. With a few tweaks, your viral-ready video is good to go. And just like that, you've turned simple ideas into jaw-dropping videos that engage, inspire, and go viral.
In the heart of polar serenity, a majestic cruise ship carves through icy waters, oblivious to the looming spectre of danger. As the storm brews, the calm shatters, and a race against nature begins, pushing the cruise ship to its brink. The inevitable collision erupts in chaos as steel meets ice and the ocean swallows serenity whole.
At authorityvideos.com, it's all about transforming creativity into growth, engagement, and income. Don't forget to grab the cheat sheet in the description. It's packed with step-by-step instructions and links to the tools we use today. Now it's your turn. Start creating and let your imagination set sail. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button, share it with your creator crew, and hit subscribe for more pro-level tutorials. Got an idea for what you want to learn next? Drop your suggestions in the comments. I'm always excited to hear from you and bring your ideas to life. I can't wait to see what incredible videos you'll create. This is cool. Signing off from authorityvideos.com. Stay creative, stay awesome, and remember it's cool to stand out.